So listen. I shouldn't start like that. But hi guys. So today we're going. Well, listen. Hold on. This is me, Grace. My name's Grace, and this is Popeye. Okay. Now we're going to. So first, you wonder why we're at a lake. So look over here. What are we gonna do on a lake? What do you think, Popeye?
I think we're gonna go fishing.
Yeah, but I bet y'all asking what this thing is.
What's
Popeye,
that thing
what
for?
Is this thing?
I don't know. What's that for?
This is for when I or Popeye catches a fish. We cast it out, and then it goes in the water. Then the fish bites on it. Then you start to yank it. Then we get the fish. Plop. You open this. Plop it in there. Then you got a pet fish.
All right.
Sound good, Popeye?
Sounds great. Let's try it.
Okay, yeah, let's try.